Welcome friends, this is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa, present before you to learn and understand about the reciprocal of a rational number. This is the subtopic of chapter number 4, rational numbers, class 7. So friends, get ready to learn. Yes, first reciprocal of a rational number. Okay, when product of two rational numbers is equal to 1, then each one is called a reciprocal of rational number, and this is also known as multiplicative inverse of a rational number. So have a look. Example, suppose 2 and 1 by 2, both the rational numbers, because this number can be written as 2 by a by p form, okay, p by q form. So when multiply 2 by 1 by 2, this gives us 1. Then we can say 2 is the reciprocal of 1 by 2, or 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2. Why? The product of these two number gives us 1. So suppose a by b and b by a is another numbers, then another rational number, then multiply the product of these two numbers is equal to 1, because a and b will get cancelled, is equal to 1. 1 time में 1 time, okay, this is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Hence we can say that a by b is the multiplicative inverse of the rational number of b by a. Also b by a is also reciprocal of a by b. Okay, now another example, suppose -1, the reciprocal of -1. Yes, reciprocal of -1 is equal to -1. Why? Because the product of this -1 into -1 and -1 gives us 1. So this is why -1 is the reciprocal of -1, and -1 is the also reciprocal of -1. Okay, that means the reciprocal of -1 is 1. Okay, the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Why? Because the product of these two number is equal to 1. Okay, I hope you will get. Now see the friends, next point, division of rational numbers. Okay, suppose a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then we define a by b divided by c by d gives us a by b multiplied by multiplicative inverse of c by d. Okay, that means this can be written as a by b multiplied by multiplicative inverse of c by d, means c goes to numerator and d goes to numerator and c comes to denominator. Okay, that means we have to change numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Okay, now that means a by b divided by c by d gives us a by b multiplied by c by d. That means here is this is the what types of operation? Division, and the reverse division is the reverse of the multiplication. If we change the division into multiplication, we have to change their values. That means this goes to up and this comes to downwards here. Okay, this is okay, this is equal to this. I hope you will get. Now friends, see, get ready to solve questions of exercise 4F. So first question says, find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of each of the following. As you can see the question on the screen here, the option first, we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 18, or we have to find the reciprocal of 18. That means here is 18, 1 is hidden. Okay, now if 1, we have to move 1 to up and this is downwards. That means we have to change the numerator. Numerator will go denominator and denominator will come numerator. Okay, this is the multiplicative inverse of 18, or either we can multiply this by this, becomes 1. Now next question number second, 16 minus 16. Yes, minus 16 here is 1. Okay, no, the answer is 1 by 16. Here is the minus, here because of the minus. Yeah, either this is minus, this is your answer. Okay, now next, here minus minus will get cancelled. That means the reciprocal 5 by 3. So 3 by the reciprocal of minus 3 by minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3 or minus 5 by 3. Both are equal. Now here the interesting thing is 0. What is the reciprocal of 0? Okay, what is the reciprocal of 0? Hence the reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Why here is 1? So this becomes 1 by 0, where there is numerator is denominator is 0. That means this number is unknown, this is not defined, this is illegal in mathematics, this is indeterminate. Okay, that means no exist. The reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Okay, now friend, see question number second, simplify, and the question number second having 6 sub questions, and we have taken one sub question 6 number. Okay, now here minus 65 by 14 divided by 13 by minus 7. Now solve this. This can be solved by write the first rational number. Now we have to change into multiplication. This division will change into multiplication. This becomes minus 7 by 13, if you remember, because if you multiply here, this is the gives us the reciprocal of this rational number, means 13 by 7. The reciprocal of 13 by minus 7 is equal to minus 7 by 13 if we change this sign into multiplication. Okay, now here, yes, 13 1 ja 13, 13 5 ja 65, 7 1 ja 7, and 7 2 ja 14. That means here minus 5 multiply by here minus 1, because numerator multiply by numerator. Okay, you have learned about the multiplication of rational number. Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by here denominator. Here is 1. Okay, now this is minus into minus plus, 5 1 ja 5. Okay, and 2 1 ja 2. This is your answer. Okay, I hope you will get. Okay, now friends, see question number 5. Question number 5 says, by what number should minus 44 by 9 be divided to get minus 11 by 3? Yes, let suppose x is divided. Suppose x is divided by minus 44 by 9. X is divided by minus 44 by 9 gives us minus 11 by, to get minus 11 by 3. Okay, now this can be written minus 44 by 9. Now here if we changed, we have already changed this operation into multiplication. That means this fraction is also changed, means this rational number is also changed. 1, this becomes 1 by x. Okay, now is equal to, as it is, minus 11 by 3. Here 1 by x, because we have to find that this value x. Here 1 by x as it is, this number is as it is, minus 11 by 3, and this goes to right hand side as a divisor. That means this number is divided by this, and this is minus 11 by 3. Once again this number. Okay, that means we have to change this operation into multiplication. That means the reciprocal of this rational number is 9 by minus 44. Okay, here have a look. Here 1 by x, and this is, yes, minus or minus will get cancelled. 11 1 ja 11, or 11 4 ja 44. Okay, 3 1 ja 3, and 3 3 ja 9. Here 1 multiply by 3, 1 3 ja 3, or 3 1 ja 3, and this is 1 multiply by 4. Here is 4. Now the answer is, here have a look. Now taking reverse in both sides, taking reverse in both sides, that means x by 1, here also 4 by 3. So this will get x is equal to 4 by 3. This is your answer, because 1 is always hidden in denominator. So this is your answer, 4 by 3 is answer. Now friend, see question number 13. As you can see, the cost of 2.5 meter of cloth is 78 and 3 by 4 rupees. Find the cost of cloth per meter. That means we have to find the cost of 1 meter. 1 meter of cloth is equal to how much OP is. Okay, now see, whatever the thing is given, write down first. Since the cost of 2.5 meter of cloth is 78 and 3/4 rupees, okay, this is given. Now we have to find the in 1 meter, okay, that means per meter. Hence, therefore the cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to this divided by this, okay, this divided by 2.5. that means solve here. First of all, you have to change this mixed fraction into improper. Now multiply this 78 multiply by 4 or add 3/4, okay. Now here division, now multiply 2 multiply by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, okay. Now see friends, if you multiply 78 multiply by 4 plus add 3, then 315 is here by 4 divided by here division, and 5/4, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5/2, okay. Now this will give us, this is the multiplicative. If we change this operation as multiply, that means we have to change this 2/5. Here 2 goes to up and 5 comes to downwards, that means 2/5. Here the multiplicative inverse of 5/2, okay. Now here this will 5 1 ja 5, this is 5 6 ja 30 and 5 3 ja 15, okay. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, that means here 63 multiply by 1 becomes 63 and 2 multiply by 1, 2 1 ja 1, 2 2 1 ja 2. Here if we divide 63 by 2, then 2 3 ja 6, yes, 3 1 ja, sorry, 2 1 ja 2, here is 1, that means 33 and half is the required money, is the required answer. I hope you will understand. So friends, your homework is question number 1 to 13, question number 1 to 13, exercise 4F, okay, exercise 4F. I hope you will solve the questions. If you have any doubt or queries, please ask me, okay. Have a nice day.